Hello, my name is Ariel Re, and my deepest desire is to leave behind a legacy in this world based on the best I received from my parents, peace and love. I firmly believe that through my actions in life, I can help make the world a little bit more peaceful and loving place. At BNI, I discovered something extraordinary. We really can change the world does business. And all of this makes sense when we understand the true meaning of giver's gain. At BNI, we live, breathe, and culture of giver's gain in every interaction, especially in our one-to-one meetings with fellow members. Here is where the magic of BNI occurs. For sure, many of you may have had many one-to-ones in the past. How many had you had in the last 6 months, in the last year, in your whole story? For example, myself, I had more than 1,000 one-to-ones in my whole BNI life. And this is not only the only conversations I had, because I did engagement for my chapters, I received visitors, I connected with people, with customers from my business, with providers for my business. Andy Stallman said that business are done by people. Those who don't understand people don't understand business. And this is what we live in our culture at BNI. For example, how many data can you remember from every conversation you had? I guess not all. I cannot remember 100% of the conversations I had. So how many opportunities I am leaving in the desk to help my members in my chapters, the people I know. For sure, I can make a difference if I could remember everything. But you know, this tool is possible. Today we have AI, and with AI, we can create a process in which we can remember every single conversation we had. So instead of remembering data that you have to write down, you can build a relation, make the connection, and let the tool, let the AI make the things for you. And this is not the only thing that you can do with AI. Let's go one step further. I have created a tool with training of all Ivan Misner podcasts from bnipodcast.com. And for example, I share it with some people in my chapters that are education coordinator. And they said, we used to spend several hours to prepare a training for an education slot. And now with AI, I can do it in minutes. So think, what is the benefit? Not only people will take less time to do many things, but also the information is going to be more precise, more focused, and everybody can talk to Ivan Misner through a GPT using AI. In short, this tool not only simplifies the work, but also empowers every BNI member in the role. And this is really to give us gain in a step further. Artificial intelligence is, without a doubt, the most disruptive tool in the human history, even more than the wheel, the Excel for the accountants, or the smartphones for all of us. It has the power to transform not only BNI, but also our lives and our business. Those who adopt this technology first will gain a significant competitive advantage. And that is what I am going to talk about in the next BNI Global Convention at Hawaii. How AI can enhance your giver gains to make the difference. And if we use AI in our lives in BNI, we really can change the world does business faster. Thank you very much.